Everyone, welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're new. My name is Jeanette. I'm a licensed cosmetologist, certified makeup artist, and soon to be esthetician. I make beauty and lifestyle related videos on this channel, so if that sounds like something that would interest you, then you might want to subscribe and stick around for all my future videos. Today I am here with another video for you guys. Today I'm going to be sharing different ways that I have come up with to make money during quarantine, because a lot of people are home, they have nothing to do, and they're struggling to make money because they can't be working right now. I myself included am not working because the hair salon that I work at is closed, along with every other salon, so I don't even know how long I'm going to be out of work for. So these are the things that I have found useful, helping me make money, and I know a lot of people are really stressed about their financial situations right now, so I thought I would share what I have found with you guys to hopefully relieve some stress. Also, before I start, if you guys like this makeup look, I filmed a makeup tutorial on this, so if it is uploaded by the time you're watching this, I will put it in the eye up above so you guys can click that out and watch another video of mine. And so with all that being said, let's just get on with the video. So the first thing that I have to talk about is something that I have actually been doing, and I have found it is a really easy and proficient way to make money, and that is delivering food for DoorDash. And if you don't necessarily want to do DoorDash, there are other food delivery services like Grubhub, Uber Eats, you know them all. The way DoorDash works and what I've been doing, I wait till it shows it's busy in my area. I schedule my Dash and it shows up on my phone on the Dasher app where to go, how much money I'm gonna make, and then where the person's house is. So you drive to that place, pick up the person's food or order the food for them, you get it, and you drive to the person's house. And an option that they have now is to just leave the door at the front step, and a lot of people have been doing that to just limit contact with other people because of quarantine. So you just leave it there, get back in your car, you have a new order, and you go do it again. And I have made about almost $200 in only 3 days of doing DoorDash. So, and that did 2 hours one day, 2 hours another day, and 4 hours the third day, and I've made almost $200. So that is a significant amount of money. I have my link in the description down below if you guys want to click that link to sign up for DoorDash yourself. And also, what I like to do while I'm delivering food is listening to my audiobook. I love listening to audiobooks, and since I'm in the car a lot, it's a perfect opportunity to listen to audiobook and make money and read at the same time. So the next thing I have to talk about is to sell your old clothes on Poshmark or something like that. I started a Poshmark closet while I've been in quarantine, and it's always going to be linked in the description bar down below if you guys are interested and want to check that out. It's really easy. I feel like it's kind of therapeutic too, taking pictures of clothes and listing them. I've made a few sales and it's really nice, and I know it's kind of a hit or miss with whether the fact you're gonna make money or not, and even if you don't make a lot of money, it still gives you something to do while you're stuck home doing nothing. The next thing I have here to talk about is to answer surveys. I know that's not a huge, proficient, reliable source of money, but I have Google surveys on my phone and it just pops up with a survey randomly, and I've made either between 10 cents and $1 for each survey, and I feel like I've been making about $3 a week on average doing surveys. And so I know it's not a lot of money, but it's still kind of something to do, and $3 is better than no dollars. So the next thing I have for you guys is to do chores for your parents or other family members. And I don't mean like simple everyday chores, but like kind of more drastic, out of the way chores, like cooking dinner if your parents are still working, or gas is really cheap right now, so it really is the perfect time to go get gas, so you can ask your parents if they can pay you to go fill up their car with gas. And I feel like a lot of the times they're gonna say yes, because they're saving so much money with the gas itself. And if in your household you need more groceries, you can ask your parents if they want you to go grocery shopping for them. They can give you X amount of money, and whatever you don't spend, you can keep the difference of that. So it's something to do and something that you could use to make money. And even if they do say no, it's still always nice to do something for your parents and family, because you never know when you're going to need them to do something for you. The next thing I have to talk about is online tutoring. All schools have pretty much moved to online as of right now, and sometimes it's really hard to get in contact with teachers, so a lot of students are struggling with their work. So if you're really good at either math, science, English, or certain language, it's a good time to go do some online tutoring to help out some kids in need to help them pass their classes. The next thing I have to talk about isn't really making money right this moment, but since the stock market is pretty much crashing right now, it's crashed pretty much. Prices of stock are really cheap, so if you have the money to invest, it's a perfect opportunity to invest in the stock market, so when it rises again in the future, you can take that money and sometimes even more double your money. The next thing I have to talk about is babysit if absolutely necessary, because most people are home from work. There are still some people who still have to work because their jobs are deemed essential, and some of these people have young children that they can't just leave home alone all day because they're little kids, and that's just not something you do. So if maybe your neighbors or someone you know is in a situation like that, you can offer to babysit them during the day while they're working and make some money, and it's still something to do while you're sitting home doing nothing. So even if you're making no money or making money, it's still always a nice thing to do. But babysitting, usually you get paid good money for, so it doesn't hurt at all. The next thing somewhat ties into something I spoke about earlier, but if you guys know how to make bags, scrunchies, anything like that, it's a perfect time to open up an Etsy shop and sell your craft. And even if you don't make a lot of money doing it right now, it's still something that you can do to spend your time while you're home doing nothing. Other things you could sell, or if you're good at painting, drawing, you can sell your paintings, you can sell your drawings. If you're good at other crafts, you can just sell any of your crafts on any platform, and it's a good way to make money and a good way to spend your time doing things that are productive. The next thing I have to talk about is you can save up cans and bottles and bring them to the grocery store and exchange each one for 5 cents. I've done this. I love doing it. It's something to do, and even though it's not a lot of money, it's still money, and like I said before, a few dollars is better than no dollars. And since a lot of people are buying a bunch of water bottles and seltzers and sodas or whatever because of the whole quarantine, I feel like most people are going to have a lot of cans and bottles in their recyclables anyway, so might as well just save them up and get some money for it. And the last thing that I have to talk about today is go around your house and find loose change, put it all in a jar, and then bring it to the bank and put it in one of those change to cash machines and get some cash for your change. And even if it probably won't be a lot of money, it is still money, and again, like I said, a few dollars is better than no dollars, so it won't hurt, and it will also give you something to do while we're all home doing nothing. And well, that was everything that I had to talk about. I feel like this was a pretty good list of a lot of different things that you can do, and even though some things you can make more money than others, for them, I don't even know how many times I've said this, but making a few dollars is better than making no dollars. I hope you guys found this video helpful and give you some ideas of ways to make money, and with that being said, I hope it made you feel less stressed out over your financial situations, because now you guys have more options of ways to make money. Comment down below any other ideas that you guys have to make money during this whole quarantine situation and help everyone else out too. And also comment down below any other videos you would like to see. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you would like to see more videos from me, be sure to subscribe to my channel and stick around for all my future videos, because I do have a lot of videos planned and upcoming for the next few weeks since I am home doing nothing all day long. So I think that is everything that I have to say. So again, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you're still watching right now, comment down below what time it is when you're watching, and I hope to see you all very soon in another video of mine. Bye!